We all like to play games with high frame rate, but some of us have PCs like this. And obviously these players don't really stand a chance fighting against high FPS players. So what if we just lower the frame rate of high FPS players to give low FPS players a fighting chance? In reality, I want to just test out if it's even possible to cap the frame rate in Roblox below 60. One of the first obvious ideas that I got is to simply spawn a bunch of parts. And it does actually work, but the issue with this is that I cannot control the frame rate. It completely depends on how much parts can your PC handle. Okay, so I don't really have a second idea how to continue this, so I will have to ask a good friend Dev Forum for the solution. So I found this solution made by optimistic site that actually makes sense. Basically, you know, when you create an infinite loop, it completely freezes your screen. No, basically we will make the screen freeze at frame rate intervals. So for that we will create two variables. The first one will be the call frame rate and the second one will be clock. Now we can calculate the wait time between frames by simply dividing 1 with frame rate. Inside of the loop we can calculate the time difference between last frame and then checking if this time is above wait time. Then we will wait and reset the clock. So as you can see, it does actually work, but let's actually create a game with this. So obviously the game I want to make is an OP, but currently it's kind of boring that you don't know the frame rate that you are capped in. So the first step, I want to actually create GUI. So the UI is finished, let's actually script it. I have made the UI and as you can see the frame rate is decreasing to 0, which means that I will crash at some point, but that doesn't matter, right? So let's actually go and now create the map for the OB. Okay, so I created the OB and now let's actually try and complete the game before my frame rate is 0. Okay, so we are in and let's move quickly, we need to complete this. Let's jump on these spider webs, let's quickly move, we have 20 seconds, already 30 FPS. Let's jump over this object.